Guru Pyari, Sat Sangat ji, Radha Swami ji. As you all know that on 7, 8 and 9th of November, Bhandara is going to be organized in Dera Byas. An important information for the Sangat. Please pay attention to the Sangat going to be organized. Sangat ji, at this time lakh of Sangat are going to Vyas. Everyone has the desire to have the darshan of their beloved Sant Satguru and to get a glimpse of him and to get the opportunity to sit at his feet. This time it is continuously getting very cold in Byas. There is rain too. There is moisture in the air and a chill is felt during the night. Hence, all the Sangat who are coming to Dera Byas of Bhandara must be coming in the cold weather, came with arrangement so that no one face any inconvenience. Keep warm clothes and shoes with you and wear them become the ground can be become slippery due to rain. Please take special care of small children and elders because they get cold quickly. Keep milk, medicine, and other necessary items with you beforehand so that you do not face any kind of problem. Those who are engaged in Sangat Seva are also requested to take care of their health while doing Seva. Continuous exposure to cold case cold and cough. Hence, wear warm clothes and drink warm water and hot tea from time to time. True service is to serve while staying healthy and eating. But with such a large number of devotees coming, there is a need to maintain order. Hence, you are requested that whatever you are maintain discipline, keep the line clean and help each other. This is true devotee and this is following the order of Sant Satguru. The people who are coming from far away must get weather information before starting the journey. The cold increasing during the night. So keep blankets and shawl with you. If there is any problem on the way, like rain, cold, or crowd, then be patient. All this is grace of the Lord. Accept every situation with a smile, love a feeling, gratitude coming to the storehouse is not just a program, it is the call of the soul. This is the time when we get the opportunity to listen to the voice with us. Sant Satguru repeatedly teach us that true devotee devotion love is not expressed only in words but it happens through service when we help any others compare give shelter to someone who is tired look at someone with a smile that is the real satsang. This time when you go to the dera, keep this feeling in your mind that you are going to your home. This is the palace where the soul finds peace. Therefore, go prepare for service not with the body but with the mind. Leave behind complaints, worries, and disagreements. Just come with the love, devotion, and thanks. Sangat ji, this was some important information that I have shared with you. You should come share this video with as many Sangat as possible. The Sangat who is going to Dera Vyas Bandara will definitely get some benefit from this video. Sangat ji, if you like this video, then you can like it and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Whether you subscribe to my channel or not, if you have come till here, then definitely write Radha Swami in the comments and go. We will meet you soon with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family with folded hands. Love to all of you. Radha Swami Ji.